My name is Jim Higgins, and I'm a mechanical engineer. I got my undergraduate degree in mechanical and materials engineering from the University of Nebraska, and then started my career working as an engineer in an industrial exhaust manufacturing facility, designing tools and assembly lines for the manufacturing floor. After a couple years, I changed positions within that company and worked as a computational fluid dynamics engineer and ran simulations and flow analyses on the exhaust system that the company created. Both of these jobs became repetitive for me after a while, so I decided to go back to graduate school and to do something different. I got a master's degree in mechanical engineering and applied mechanics with a minor in computer science computer engineering. While I was working towards this degree, I worked as a graduate assistant at a lab that researched UAVs and their applications. After completing my degree, I went to work for a startup called Pulse Aerospace, where I designed and prototyped unmanned helicopters. I found that the fast-paced and varied responsibilities that come with working for a small startup suited me really well. A couple years later, I had the opportunity to help start a new company to commercialize a product that I started designing back when I was in graduate school. The company, called Drone Amplified, incorporated in 2017, and we make a drone-based fire ignition system called Ignis that has been used worldwide to help combat wildfires. My day-to-day job here at Drone Amplified has transitioned over the last couple years from spending all my time designing and prototyping to now managing a team of engineers and supporting customers using the equipment in the field. Software I use includes SolidWorks, Fusion 360 for the design aspects, and then the machine software to run the CNCs and 3D printers for making parts. A couple things I like about my job is that it's pretty fast-paced, and because it is a small startup, I get the opportunity to play many different roles, from a designer to a machinist to a prototype tester to engineering field support. However, getting to do all these things sometimes mean there are late nights and long days to get projects finished or to solve a problem that is mission critical for customers. If I could go back and give myself a piece of advice when I was in school, it's to get involved with a project that involves practical engineering and actually making something. My education gave me a solid foundation of technical knowledge, but I really didn't know how to make things until I had spent some time in industry. I became a much better engineer and designer after I had the opportunity to actually manufacture and assemble some of the designs I created.